wanted man in the sector. You ain't that hard to find. I had to see it for myself. Little Jimmy Raynor, the people's hero.
Tychus Finley. Nice suit.
Pays to be prepared.
I heard they put you on ice. Life sentence. What? To give you time off for good behavior?
That's right, old buddy. I'm a model citizen now.
So to what do I owe the pleasure?
Just a friendly business proposition. Do you even know what the Dominion are doing out here?
I'm guessing you're about to tell me.
Digging up alien artifacts, old buddy. Your boy Minsk has gone crazy for them. But I got a contact that'll pay top dollar for every artifact we liberate from the Dominion.
I guess I can hardly pass that up now. Can I, Tychus?
Partners then. 60-40.
70-30. My way. Feels like old times already.
Old times.
Call me curious, but how'd you get out?
Well, I busted out of my cryo freezer while they were transporting me to New Folsom. Oh, I must have killed at least a dozen guards with my bare hands.
Yeah, I've heard this one before. But you left out the part where you walked on water. Made off with the warden's daughter.
Don't you get uppity with me, boy. I heard all about you becoming a big-time freedom fighter while I was away. What happened, Jimmy? The war for truth and justice get too much for you.
I ain't licked yet, Tychus. And I promise you, Minsk is going down, one way or another.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from the UNN studios on Core Hall. We've got a breaking story for you. Let's go live to our own Kate Lockwell on the fringe world of Marsara. Kate?
Thanks, Donnie. Rebel Jim Raynor has reappeared in a big way. He's attacked a Dominion depot near Backwater Station, seizing weapons and distributing them to the local populace.
Kate, I bet the locals are pretty nervous about having a notorious outlaw in their neighborhood.
Actually, Donnie, the people I talked to seemed really encouraged
Thanks,
by
Kate. You heard it here first. Jim Raynor, terrorizing the locals on Marsara. When we return, are your kids using skin packs?
Keep talking, pal. I'm just getting started. Sarah. Sometimes I think it would have been better if you just died that day.
This looks recent. This your doing, Jimmy?
Folks in these parts are ready to fight back against Minsk. Guess they just needed a little push.
You still take this whole revolution thing pretty serious, then?
Everyone needs a hobby, Tychus.
Thanks to your actions, Marsara is now in a state of open revolt against Arcturus Minsk. Ex-convict Tychus Finley has revealed the Dominion came to Marsara to excavate an alien artifact. Seizing the artifact will strike another blow against the Dominion and generate funds from selling it to Finley's mysterious contacts.
This old outpost don't look like anything special.
Keep your shirt on, son. Dominion engineers been digging out here for months. See that crane? They're getting ready to move the artifact they found off-world.
Well, I'll be damned.
See? You gotta have a little more faith, Jimmy.
All right. Time to give the Dominion a wake-up call. Let's smash that base and haul that baby out of there.
Huh? Who wants some?
Commander, additional tutorials are available for you to review.
We'll need a lot more Marines before we take on the Dominion outpost. Train them up at the barracks. While we're at it, extra SCVs will help us harvest minerals faster. Train them up at the command center.
This been waiting on you. Looking forward to it. I'm on it. Sure thing. SCV ready. Well, Butterman. Gangway, coming through. By the number. SCV ready. Go ahead. You gonna give me orders? You got it.
Additional supply depots required.
Aye, aye, sir. SCV ready. By the numbers, boys. This better be good. Yeah. SCV ready. Who won? Armed and ready.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Armed and ready. SCV ready. Roger. Move it. By the numbers, boys. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
Outstanding. You gonna give me orders? Can't wait. I feel ya. Roger that. Been waiting. This better be good. 10-4. Yes, sir.
Commander, the Dominion is attacking the rebel base to the southwest.
Good. That'll keep the Dominion off our backs.
Those folks need our help, Tychus. There's no way we're leaving them to rot.
I'm on it. Looking forward to it. You gonna give me orders?
You guys sure are a welcome sight. We're with you. Just tell us where you want us.
Welcome aboard, boys.
Rayner's the man.
It's Rayner's boys.
Been waiting on you. Gangway, coming through. Outstanding. Why not? Can't wait. Roger that.
The doctor is in.
Additional supply depots required.
Big job, huh? Gotcha.
Additional supply depots required.
By the numbers, boys. Who wants some? This better be good. You gonna give me orders?
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys.
Bad guys are that away!
Been waiting on you.
Warning. Dominion Hellions approaching.
Why not? Orders received. I feel you. Got it. Who wants some? Nice job cleaning out that bunker, Jimmy. Between your boys and my skills, we are gonna go a long way together. Oh, yeah. Sure thing. This better be good. Roger that. Gangway, coming through.
Standing by.
This way. This better be good. Armed and you gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boy. Sure. Keep your shirt on. Been waiting on you. Orders received. Will do. Oh yeah. I feel you.
Crane controls accessed. Decrypting security overrides. Crane control established.
Beautiful. Now let's reel that sucker in and get out of here.